Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my YouTube channel, Dalton My World. And today we're gonna do a semi unboxing and putting together of a gaming chair that I got for myself for my birthday. And my birthday was April the 5th, and I've been sitting on my butt. It took me a minute before I put it together, but you get to see the video. Now, before I get started, what I want to say is this is video number 900. That's right. This is my 900th video that I have created, including shorts, for this video channel on YouTube. And also, a friend of mine I was talking to today brought to my attention that I have almost 500,000 views, and that's due to you. So thank you. I almost got 500,000 views on my channel, and that's a great accomplishment because my channel is a hobby channel. It's not the way I make my money, but I do it because I like to help people, I like to entertain, and you know, it's fun, and some of you all like it too. So that's right. I've gotten almost 500,000 views on my channel as of right now. And right now, I believe it's April the 22nd, 2023. All right. So that's a major accomplishment, and I couldn't have done it without you all. So I want to give you all a very thank you, give you a hug, and I do appreciate you. Okay. Now, on with the show. So we're going to, I'm going to show you some clips in which I created, okay, in which I put it together. And it is a gaming chair. It is a very unique gaming chair. As I stated, I got it for my birthday on April 5th. Took me a while to put it together because I've been lazy. I'm 58, if you wanted to know. And this gaming chair, I'll give you some specs. I got my notes, got my Starbucks. Oh, and due to YouTube policy, I have to tell you ahead of time, this is not a paid advertisement. I do not have at this time any paid advertisements on my YouTube channel. Okay. Now, it weighed. It was a heavy box. It weighed about 28 pounds. Okay, when it got delivered, I had to put it together. Now, you can buy these also at the store if you're not good at putting stuff together and working with your hands. You can buy the stuff at your store as well, at a store as well, like Best Buy or whatever. Okay. Um, the brand is Best Office. I got it on Amazon. Price was $59. Okay, but you can also pay it off. Okay, you can pay it off like through Amazon's kind of like layaway system, which would be only $10 a month. Okay, which is not bad. Um, oh yeah, it got 4.1 out of 5 stars, and it is my favorite color, black and red. Love it. I said, oh, I saw that. I knew I love it. Okay, and also these you can buy them with or without. I bought mine with a back massager. That's right. It has a back massager that's included in this gaming chair. You can also use it as an office chair. Okay, that's what. And I mean, $59. Come on, just as a back massager itself, it's awesome. Okay, so enough with the talking. Let's get on the video. I ask you all to check out my videos, share them if you like, subscribe if you like, and please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And let's go on with the show. All right, my people, there it is. My name is Dalton, and this is my channel. And I've been waiting to get this for a long time. It is a gaming chair. I have to assemble it. I got this for my birthday, and it's my favorite colors. So stay tuned, and after I finish getting it together, you get to check it out. Okay, I got it on sale. And what's so cool about this gaming chair is that it comes with a back massager built into it. That's right, a back massager. So if you're sitting a long time, it gets to work that lower part of your back. But I'll give you more details later. All right, check it out. Halfway done. Look at that beautiful color, red and black. My favorite color right there. All right, here we go. It's my finished project. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Yep, nice. And this plugs into your computer or any USB port. And let's see if I can show you that. If you can see that. That's a massager. This whole thing is a right here is a back massage. Yep. Nice. All right, my people. This is Dalton, and here's my finished project. Yes, been wanting this for a while. My favorite colors, black and red. It's a affordable gaming chair, as well as a work office chair. I think they call it aerodynamic. It's made for your body. Wear and tear on your body is to the minimum. Long hours of work at a computer or anything, you'll be able to do it. And they have a little pouch down here. I don't know if y'all can see the little pouch, but that is for the wire. And that wire, if you see right here, is for the massage. That's right. All this right here is a back massage. So it's not just a gaming chair or office chair. It's a back massage when you need it. So keep showing y'all the finished project. Whew, got a little bit more to do to it. I mean, a little detail I want to do to it. But yeah, that's it. And this gaming chair is pretty affordable. If you're not tech savvy or don't know how to put stuff together, I'm good with my hands. But those who are not, I would suggest you buy one from like Best Buy or something like that at an affordable price. Now, this right here, yep, very nice. I can handle that. $59, $20 to deliver it. I put it together myself. Got it on Amazon. And that is my birthday gift. Yes, sir. One of many I got. I've always wanted one of these. And especially I work at the computer, watch videos, whatever. Very nice. All right, that's it. All right, let's do a smooth walk up here. Mhm. Finished product. Yes, sir. Nice. And that is it. My favorite colors, red and black. I knew I had to get that chair when I saw it. That is my favorite colors, red and black. And it has a massager, as I stated, built into the back of the chair. Let me see if I can get up there to it. Right here, that part right here of the chair has a massager in it. Yes, sir. Yeah. Nice.